So you open Google Play Store and you go and type Google Opinion Reward. I already got it installed, so I'm not going to install it anymore. But you install it, register, and if you look in my account, you'll find I got €1.69 in it. You get this money by answering questions, and in a week you can get like 1 to 3 notifications, and after answering the questions you get reward. It's not difficult questions, it's just basic questions. I mean, just normal questions everyone can answer. So after I answer these questions, you can see I got 12 cents, but you can get up to 60 cents. And you can find this money also in your Google Play Store account, and you can find it by going to menu and then account, payment method, and on top you find the money you have in your account. So I'll just try and use the money to buy something on Google Play and see if it really works. Hitman costs like 99 cents, so let's try and buy Hitman. It says payment successful. That means everything worked perfectly.